Hello, good morning everyone. I am Deekshith from first year EC and my the topic is Ocean Spark, our groundbreaking ocean cleanup drone. Let's discuss on this topic. Ocean cleanup drones are the innovative devices designed to help ocean clean up plastic waste and debris from ocean and water bodies. They work like small flying robots that can identify and collect the floating plastics trash that harms marine life and pollutes the environment to develop these drones. You would need a few important components. And we discuss about the important components. Sensors and cameras. There are like the eye of the drones. They help see and detect plastic debris in the water. Sensors can tell the drone where the trash is, and cameras can take picture of to help the drone's computer figure out what to collect. Navigation system. Just like how you need a map or GPS to find your way, drone needs navigation system. This system these systems help the drones know where it is in the ocean and where it needs to go and find the place. Propeller and motors. These parts helps the drone move through the water. They works a bit like a boat's engine or a plane's propeller. Helps the drone to go and to the place where the plastic need to be picked up. And collecting oxygen to pick up plastic and the debris from the ocean. Drones need something like a net or arms that can scoop up the floating trash. These arms can be designed to safely catch the plastic without harming marine animals. Power source. Drones need energy to work, just like your toys need batteries. The power source can be batteries or even solar panel to make the drones move and operate their sensors and other parts. And communication system. Drones need to talk to humans, just like you talk to your friend on the phone, just like you talk to your friend on the phone. The system lets people control the drones from afar and retrieve information from it. Data processing computer. This is like the brain of the drone. It takes information from the sensor and camera, processes it, and tells the drone what to do next, like where to go and what plastic to collect. Material and that's the last. Let's look at the materials required to build up this type of ocean drones. Drones need to be made from strong and durable material that can handle being in the water for a long time. They also need uh, material that are resilient to rust and corrosion. It's the main component needed to design a ocean Scott, the underground breaking ocean cleanup drone. Thank you.